Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Or maybe you need a little extra cash, but don't know where to start? What if I told you there are 30 flexible side jobs you can do from the comfort of your own home or on your own schedule regardless of your age or experience? Stick around, because we've got ideas for everyone, no matter your budget. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling the squeeze of a tight budget, or if you're simply looking to make some extra cash without a huge time commitment, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 30 flexible side jobs that anyone can try, regardless of their age or experience. You don't need to quit your day job or go into debt to get started. So, let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with some online gigs. These are great because you can work from home, set your own hours, and start earning fast. 1. Freelance writing. Love to write? You can easily become a freelance writer. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to start with simple tasks like blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. If you've got a knack for writing, this is a great way to get paid for doing something you enjoy. 2. Virtual assistant. More businesses are going remote, and they need help. As a virtual assistant, you can assist with scheduling, email management, and research all from the comfort of your home. It's flexible and perfect for anyone with organizational skills. 3. Online tutoring. Got a knack for explaining things? Online tutoring is a growing field, especially for subjects like math, English, and science. Platforms like VipKid let you teach students from all over the world without leaving your home. Next, if you're a creative person, there are tons of side jobs that let you flex your artistic muscles and get paid for it. 4. Graphic design. If you love designing, you can start selling your designs on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Whether it's custom t-shirts, printables, or logos, the world is full of people looking for unique designs. 5. Photography. If you have a camera and an eye for detail, why not turn your hobby into a side hustle? You can sell stock photos online, do event photography, or even offer portraits. 6. Social media management. Businesses need social media managers to help them grow their online presence. If you know how to create engaging content and manage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you could help brands connect with their audiences and get paid for it. Sometimes, you need side jobs that don't take up too much time, but still help you earn extra cash. These are perfect for anyone looking for something flexible and low stress. 7. Dog walking. Pet sitting. Pet lovers, this one's for you. If you enjoy spending time with animals, consider dog walking or pet sitting. You can find clients in your local area or through apps like Rover. 8. Food delivery services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub let you deliver food when it's convenient for you. Whether you're doing it full-time or just a few hours a week, it's a great way to make extra money on your own schedule. 9. Personal shopper, errand runner. If you're someone who enjoys shopping or organizing, you could help others by becoming a personal shopper or errand runner. Apps like Instacart and TaskRabbit are perfect for connecting with people who need help with everyday tasks. Not sure where to start? No problem. Let's take a look at some beginner-friendly jobs that require little to no experience. 10. Selling handmade crafts. Do you have a talent for crafting? You can sell your handmade goods online, whether it's jewelry, knitted scarves, or candles. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to showcase your items. 11. Transcription services. Are you a fast typist? You can get paid to transcribe audio recordings. Websites like Rev and Transcribe are great places to start. You don't need to have prior experience, just great listening and typing skills. 12. Surveys and market research. You can earn some extra cash by completing online surveys or participating in market research. It's a low-effort way to make money in your spare time. While it might not make you rich, it's an easy way to pad your budget. Whether you're a retiree looking to keep busy, a student needing extra cash, or someone who wants a flexible schedule, here are some options that can work for anyone. 13. Babysitting or elderly care. Taking care of children or elderly people can be a rewarding side job. Websites like care.com connect caregivers with families in need of help. 14. Rent out your space. Got extra space in your home? You can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. It's a passive way to earn money if you have a room, garage, or even an entire house to spare. 15. Mystery shopping. Love shopping? How about getting paid to shop? Mystery shopping is when companies pay you to evaluate their customer service. You can sign up through various companies that specialize in this. 16. Event planning. If you're organized and enjoy coordinating events, consider offering event planning services for birthdays, weddings, or corporate functions. 17. Content creation for YouTube or TikTok. If you love sharing your thoughts or experiences, creating content for YouTube or TikTok can help you generate income through ads and sponsorships. 18. House cleaning. Offer house cleaning services in your local area. You can advertise your services on platforms like TaskRabbit or just through word of mouth. 19. Rent out your space. Have an extra room or a parking spot. You can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb or Spacer for extra cash. 20. Teach music or art. If you have a musical talent or artistic skill, you can teach lessons online or in person. Websites like Take Lessons make it easy to find students. As you can see, there's no shortage of flexible side jobs you can start today.